Hi everybody, Kate from Darn Good Yarn here, and I'm so excited to show you our Animal Lovers bundle. This is one of my favorite bundles. So in this purple box, you're going to get one of our thirsty dog or cat bowls. You'll also be getting two of our most popular amigurumis. They come in knit and crochet. We have our frog and our peacock. You'll also get our handmade embroidered elephant clutch. Also a few little notions. Here we have our rainbow sheep pin, as well as our animal wine charms. We also have some handmade stitchable buttons that look like little sheep. We also have some DIY jewelry packs. This one is our beaded crochet turquoise dove necklace, and this one is our tiger eye elephant and owl bracelet. Let me get you a close-up on that one. And last but not least, we have two of our super popular twist lace yarn. This one is in Dragon's Tail, and this one is Fancy Flamingo. So this is everything that you're going to get inside your Animal Lovers box. If you have any questions about any of these products or any of our other products, please feel free to email us over at info@darngoodyarn.com. Thanks!